Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to use Quick Material Panel to quickly access models. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select Advanced tool, Kitchen and Bath or Closet/Doors or Windows. Switch to 3D mode. You can see a Quick Material Panel will appear on the right side of the model catalogue. Part 1. Public Templates. The public catalogue is the default template and does not require individual creation or modification of Quick models. You can drag the Quick model directly from the Quick Material Panel into the design scene. You can also press the shortcuts F1, F2, F3, marked in the Quick Material Panel, to bring out the corresponding Quick model and place it in the design scene. Part 2. Custom Templates. Step 1. Customize Configure Quick Models. Firstly, you need to select Quick Models. Click on the shortcut Blank area. Choose the catalogue where the model you want to add is located, and then select the corresponding Quick model from the catalogue. Then modify Quick models. Hover the mouse over the Quick model you want to replace. Click the Replace button and select the new Quick model. If you want to delete Quick models, hover the mouse over the Quick model you want to delete. Click the Delete button and the selected Quick model will be removed. Step 2. Create multiple custom templates. Hover the mouse over the avatar symbol and click Add a new template. Up to 5 custom templates can be added. You can also rename the custom template as needed. Step 3. Switch between custom templates. You can switch between multiple templates by clicking in the template bar or using the shortcuts Win, Alt plus Q, Mac, Option plus Q for a quick cycle switch. Part 3. Switch Quick Panel. The Quick Panel can switch between public templates and custom templates. Part 4. Collapse Quick Panel. If the Quick Panel is not needed, you can click the Collapse button to collapse the Quick Panel. To use it again, click the Expand button to open the Quick Panel for use. That's all. Thanks for watching.